exactly does iTero NIRI technology do? How can it benefit your practice and patients? The iTero NIRI technology, which is available for iTero Element 5D imaging systems, causes interference in enamel to appear white, while intact enamel appears darker. In a recent in vivo clinical study, comparing NIRI technology against standard X-ray, iTero NIRI technology proved to be a reliable diagnostic aid for the detection of interproximal caries without exposing the patient to harmful radiation. The clinical study published in 2022 in the Journal of Dentistry proves that iTero NIRI technology is comparable to bite-wing X-ray. How exactly do they compare? The multi-center study, which was conducted at 5 sites and included 100 patients, provides actual clinical evidence. In this study, iTero NIRI technology demonstrated 96% accuracy in detecting dentinal interproximal caries when compared to bite-wing X-ray. iTero NIRI technology also showed 66% greater sensitivity than bite-wing X-ray in interproximal lesion detection when compared to the clinical evaluation of posterior interproximal lesions observed during caries debridement. To activate NIRI images while scanning, tap New Scan. In the RX window, make sure the NIRI capture is toggled to Enable. In scan mode, the imaging system captures NIRI data, in addition to the 3D model and intraoral camera images. After images have been processed, NIRI imaging can be accessed in View mode. To access NIRI images in a case that has been sent to the lab, tap Patients on the home screen. Find the patient in the list and tap the relevant scan date. Tap the Review tool icon to access NIRI and intraoral camera images. Drag the magnifying glass over the model. The NIRI and intraoral camera images of the focus area are displayed on the right. When the model is rotated, the corresponding images appear in the image pane. Tap the arrow to the left of the image pane to access the brightness and contrast toolbars. Drag the sliders up or down to adjust these settings and enhance details. Tap the zoom button to enlarge the image. Spread and pinch your fingers to zoom in or out. You can also take snapshots of the NIRI images and perform oral health assessments with colleagues or even annotate images with the patient chairside. For more information, see the dedicated training module for Snapshot tool. NIRI data is captured by default on iTero Element 5D and 5D Plus imaging systems. To disable iTero NIRI technology for a specific scan, in the RX screen, toggle the NIRI capture option to Disabled. To disable iTero NIRI technology for all scans by default, tap Settings and RX Settings. Toggle the NIRI captures option to Disabled. A confirmation message appears, notifying the user that iTero NIRI technology will be disabled by default. Tap OK. How can the iTero NIRI technology help you detect interproximal carious lesions? The bright spot in the mesial aspect of the left maxillary premolar indicates the presence of an initial interproximal carious lesion. Note that the intraoral camera displays no evidence of underlying carious activity. This NIRI image displays a potential interproximal carious lesion in the left maxillary first premolar. The dark area on the distal surface of the second premolar indicates the presence of an existing composite restoration. This NIRI image from a routine dental checkup patient scan displays bright spots in the distal area of the first maxillary premolar and on the mesial surface of the second maxillary premolar, suggesting the presence of an interproximal carious lesion. The iTero NIRI technology can also be used to enhance patient awareness and communication regarding oral health and hygiene. Calculus, for example, present as areas of brightness in NIRI. Comparable to bite-wing X-rays, iTero NIRI technology has proved to be 96% accurate in detecting and monitoring interproximal caries lesions above the gingiva. As an integral feature of the iTero Element 5D imaging systems, regularly incorporating iTero NIRI technology in periodic checkups doesn't require any additional scanning time and can help detect areas of concern using bite-wing X-ray when needed. Finally, this technology is free of ionizing radiation and can be used without limitation. It starts with iTero.